Hi guys, this is Adam from Adrenaline Cycles again, coming at you with a new video here. This is part 2 of a buggy that we showed you a few weeks ago, and we got it done. So the guys in the shop has been working on this when they've had a little extra time, and we're coming at you with what we want to call the XRC Maxx build. And to go over this with you, we got Justin, one of our main sales guys here, to give you some highlights and show you what's going on here and why this machine we think is the interpretation of what BRP should have in a 4-seat RC Maxx.
Absolutely. All right, guys, like Adam said, this is our version of the RC Maxx, and we went through extreme lengths to give you the visual representation of what your X3 is going to look like, your X3 XRC, except in the 4-seater version. So we'll start right here with the winch and the bumper on this, and of course the grill. Guys, with the RC feature, that orange stands out. You're not going to get any other machine that looks like the 2020 RC, especially with these colors. We made sure that we put the 5,000-pound KFI synthetic rope winch on this machine. Of course, it being the Maxx, that extra weight on that winch is going to do good, and the wood's going to help you out tremendously. One thing you'll notice about this machine is we do have the powder-coated Intrusion Bars. It's a Lonestar Intrusion Bars. It goes well with our Lonestar Maxx roof here. You see how those colors, they actually blend very well, that black and orange. On this machine, guys, and like we want this thing to look just like the RC version. So what we went to lengths to powder coat the upper A-arm here. We've got the springs powder coated here. Of course, you're going to get your skid plates on your RC version. I'll let Josh show you on that. Your lower A-arm guards, of course, you're going to have rock sliders underneath your doors and your trailing arm guards in the back. Guys, the guys in the back did a really, really good job on our decals on this. SCS Unlimited is who we got our wrap from, but if you notice, they put in the Maxx on the upper door and the lower door. You see the Adrenaline Cycles decal in it, the old Fox emblem in the back. It goes real well with these Maxx tree kickers that we've got powder coated on this machine here. Anybody that rides in the woods, you're going to know that those tree kickers are going to save your plastic. It's going to keep your decals looking good and fresh. It's going to keep trees off the lower end of your vehicle here. Also, we went with the Rockzillas. Rockzilla 35-inch on a 14-inch wheel. Tremendous tire, guys. You got plenty of tread on this thing. Great clean out. It's great for mud. It's great for rocks. Adam had a real good idea with designing this machine. I argued with him. I said we should do the Super ATV Warriors. He said, no, man, I want it to be an authentic RC look. So we went with this tire. It's not a replica of a Liberty, but it's pretty dang close. It's going to do really well out on the trails. All right, guys, and you'll notice right here we got the high clearance radius rods in the back with our version of the pull plate. It's a really good steel. It doesn't allow for any movement in the back here. It's high tolerance. All right, guys, I just wanted to give you a little preview of this buggy. Now, I got to give all the credit to Adam and all the credit to the techs in the back. They did a heck of a job on this build. Adam started with the idea, and it stemmed from there, and now you have it. I think it's safe to say it's probably the only version of this in the US, and you'll find it right here at Adrenaline Cycles. Guys, like, subscribe, click the bell at the bottom. We'll see you next time.